So this is how to fix driving live issue. For the first step, you should go to the search and then type in NVIDIA. Select this NVIDIA app pairing. If not, you should go to their official website, nvidia.com, download it and set it up from there. After that, go to settings. Make sure to switch off and turn off this NVIDIA overlay in order to prevent any issue. Now go to drivers and make sure to select this download button appearing in order to update your graphics card. Next, go to this search. You can try this next method. Go to device manager. After that, you should go to display adapters, open that, and then go to graphics card, right click on it and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers and then click on close. Next, go to this Windows icon and select settings. Now go to Windows Update, bottom left corner. It will start by taking you to the update system. So select this download and the install all button. You must ensure that you have the latest versions in order to prevent any issue too. Next, go to this upside arrow, and then if you do find the Steam icon running like this, make sure to right click on it and select exit Steam in order to terminate it and ensure it is not running in the background anymore. Now wait for a couple of moments. After that, relaunch to the game launcher. Go to the Steam icon top left corner, and then you need to check for Steam client updates if you do have an older version or not. Otherwise, select settings, go to in-game. After that, make sure to switch off this Steam overlay while in-game. Go to storage next, make sure to select the right drive. After that, select this settings and click on repair library. Next, go to downloads, scroll down, you will find clear download cache, so select on clear cache and click on confirm. Now for the last, go to the view option and select library. In the left menu, you need to look for driving live. The game must be installed. Once you select it, click on this manage icon and then click on properties. Go to installed files and select this verify integrity of game files option. Wait for the process to finish so it can recover and restore any corrupted or missing files that are responsible for the crashing or the error that you have. And that's it. I recommend going to the Windows icon and then restarting your computer and then try again and see if the error is vanished. If you do find it helpful, please consider sharing the video, like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.